Welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk Unplugged. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of GitHub, a tool that's become synonymous with modern software development. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just curious about the tech landscape, there's something valuable here for everyone. So let's start with a question. What is GitHub really? Well, at its core, GitHub is more than just a place to store your code. It's an ecosystem for collaboration, allowing developers to work together seamlessly across the globe. Imagine you're part of a band, but each musician is in a different city. GitHub provides the platform where you can share your music, work on new compositions, and keep track of changes in real time. Pretty cool, right? Now, what about those concepts that might sound a bit technical? For instance, you have pull requests. Think of pull requests as proposals in a project. It's like saying, "Hey team, I've composed a new verse for our song. Let's review it together." This fosters collaboration and quality control, making sure everyone's voice is heard before a decision is made. And how about issues? They're essentially the to-do lists of the development world. If you think about it, every challenging project needs an efficient way to track tasks. Issues help developers plan and track their work effectively, ensuring that no bug goes unnoticed or feature request gets lost. Now, let's talk briefly about GitHub Actions. This feature automates workflows for your projects, saving you time and effort. Imagine you're a chef preparing a massive meal. You wouldn't want to be chopping vegetables while your pasta is boiling over, right? GitHub Actions lets you automate those repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what really matters, creating that delicious final product. As we're discussing this, it's mind-boggling to think how GitHub also supports open-source development. Through GitHub sponsors, developers receive funding for their projects. It's like a crowd of fans coming together, chipping in to support their favorite indie artists. This community-driven support is vital in keeping innovation alive in the software world. So what about the learning opportunities? GitHub is filled with resources like events and webinars that can help both beginners and seasoned pros sharpen their skills. Think of it as ongoing education. Just because you've graduated doesn't mean you stop learning. Now, before we wrap up, let's reflect on what we've explored today. GitHub has transformed collaboration among developers into something truly remarkable. It's more than a repository. It's a forum for innovation, community building, and continuous learning. What does this mean for future developments in technology? Well, perhaps it influences how we'll work together across many disciplines in years to come. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Unplugged. If you're inspired to check out GitHub or perhaps even explore open source contributions, what's stopping you? Until next time, keep curious and keep coding.